All right, here's question 7. Two pieces of information, and you've got your production function. That's what this is. These tables are called production function. So as I add more labor, more workers, this is how my output changes. And you're looking at here, when do diminishing marginal returns set in? So what you need to figure out is what we call the marginal, switch screens here, marginal product. So I took that same chart and copied it here. So as we go from 0 to 1 worker, we're going 10, increasing by 10 in our total output or total product. So our marginal product is 10. And each one of these here, right, is we're looking at the difference between adding 1 unit of worker and how that changes total output. So here we go from 0 to or 1 to 2, and now we've got an increase of 30. So our marginal product is 30. We go 2 to 3 workers, and now our marginal product is 60. And now you're going to start to see something. We call this increasing marginal return. Okay, so as we're going down, we're seeing our marginal return increasing as we move. Now here we're going to see what happens next. We add another one. Now we go from 100 to 140. Okay, now we're starting to go the other direction. We add 1, and it's 20. Add 1, it's 10. Okay, and now here, okay, our marginal product is negative 20. So we don't have diminishing marginal returns, we have negative marginal returns. When does marginal returns start to diminish? Okay, go the opposite direction. And you can see that here, right? 10 getting larger, 30 getting larger, 60 getting larger. Now we're going the other direction. So with the fourth worker is when we start to see diminishing marginal returns. Hope that helps.